If you would like to get your blood pressure under control, I can tell you in one word what we need to do. We need to change. Okay. Now, I'm not speaking as a doctor. I'm not a doctor, and this is not medical advice. I want to speak to you as a friend or as a colleague or as a teacher to give some suggestions which have a lot of science behind them to help you improve the quality of your life by improving your blood pressure and getting it into proper range. If you're ready and willing to change, then let's continue. And if not, I don't think that I can help you because just watching the video will not lower your blood pressure. It requires change. First thing, exercise. Now, I don't know your specific health condition, so I cannot give an exact type of recommendation for you, but let's start at the very basics. You need to be exercising every day. If you're quite a bit older and in poor health, then simply walking out in the garden is going to be an improvement. If you're a bit younger and relatively strong, then you need to up your game a little bit. The key is to be exercising at a level that is suitable for your age, your health condition, and of course your environment too. So let's get started. Exercising every day, that's going to help improve your circulation and your overall health. This is one important factor that'll help bring your blood pressure into a proper range. Okay? It needs to be gradual. If you haven't exercised in 15 years, you need to be gradual. If you want to feel more confident, then get a physical trainer, a personal trainer, and get specific recommendations, what you can and cannot do for your age, your physical condition. Generally, you want to be outdoors as much as possible. As much fresh air as possible, as much sunshine as possible. Those are very good for your health, mentally as well as physically. Now, there are two major causes of high blood pressure. It's what you're thinking, how you're using your mind, and what you're eating. Let's start with that. What do we need to be eating in order to bring our blood pressure under control? And I can sum it up in 3 quick points here, is a lot of fresh fruit. Organic, if possible. Seasonal, if possible. Okay, that is going to give you lots of vitamins, a lot of minerals, a real lot of fiber to help clean up your body, improve your immune system, and improve your overall health. Vegetables, fresh vegetables. Every color you can think of, red, yellow, green, blue, purple, lots of fresh vegetables, organic if possible, locally grown, and seasonal if possible. Now, we all have different constraints, so you have to deal with them on a personal basis. But as a general rule, lots of fresh fruits, lots of fresh vegetables. Again, these give you all the vitamins that you need, the minerals that you need, the antioxidants, the enzymes, all these good things that give us overall good health. And specifically, and because they have so much fiber, they help clear out not only your veins, which are probably blocked, but also your digestion system and your elimination system will be cleaner because you're eating very high fiber foods. Okay, a third food group, really important here, is, let's call it the rice group or the grain group. Okay, this is going to be whole grain rice, organic if possible, or whole wheat bread or whole wheat noodles, whatever your preference is, but it has to be whole grain, organic if possible. Okay, those things are really, really important. A simple thing to remember here is if you're eating foods that have 0 fiber or very low fiber, they're not good for you. Okay, so before you eat something, take a quick look online and see how much fiber does this food have. Obviously, if you look up chocolate cake, there's going to be very, very little fiber in there. If you look up chicken, for example, there's 0 fiber in it. Those are the things that get into your body, but they're difficult to get back out. And so they accumulate in trouble spots, leading to high blood pressure. Long term, that can lead to heart problems or heart disease. Or if they're in the digestive system, they're going to lead to constipation and all kinds of complications in your intestines or your colon. So these general rules for cleaning up your body: fresh fruit, fresh vegetables, lots of organic whole grains, rice or barley or wheat, whichever is suitable for your climate and for your culture. A lot of those things are really going to help you. The trouble is we all eat so many fats, and those fats collect in the body. Another issue that comes up is people say, well, what about protein? I tell you what, if you eat a lot of fresh fruits, a lot of fresh vegetables, and a lot of whole grains and whole grain rice, you're getting plenty of protein. You're not going to starve. You're going to be super healthy in no time. But it takes your effort, and it takes change. The other factor that's contributing to high blood pressure is how we use our minds. If we are stressed or overcome by grief or worry, these things contribute to a lot of health problems, and people don't see any way out, except possibly smoking or drinking or drugs of some kind, which are not solutions. The solution? Learning how to meditate. Now, if you're not a religious person or a spiritual person or you don't believe in that kind of stuff, fine. Let's just say meditation is simply, in terms of physical health, a type of relaxation. There are many other dimensions to it, but for the purposes of this video and your physical health, meditation is going to help. I have numerous videos, and I'll send a link to the most basic one down below. This will help you recognize what's happening in your mind and to get calm, and this will lower your blood pressure. Now, here's the catch. You need to do all three of these. Regular exercise. Change your nutrition so that it's very high fiber, very low fat. And learn to meditate. And you don't have to be good at meditation, but you just need to do it. And practice it. And again, that's a daily practice. Okay. This will get you on the path to get your blood pressure under control, overall health, mental and physical, feeling a lot better. Of course, there are many other solutions you can look into. If you are interested in something like Reiki, I can put a link below for you, and you can learn more about Reiki and how that can manage your overall health. Yoga is a great practice if that's suitable for you. Look online. There are 1 million yoga teachers around the world, or maybe one in your area, who can recommend what is suitable for you. There are so many solutions. All of these are totally natural. Totally natural. By and large, they don't cost you anything. They have no side effects. But it's going to help you get your blood pressure under control, and the overall quality of your life is going to improve. For sure. Number one, let's begin the change right now.